Also notice that this is vibrating. Alright, so we'll see if that smooths out. See if we can measure anything kind of objectively. You can see. Still have that direct injection clicking, obviously.